Hey, this is Sasha, the options coach. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the top three charting platforms. It's another little question that we had. What platforms do you use for charting? And although I think charting is helpful and beneficial, normally I always suggest, hey, make sure you learn to manage money, spread money, watch the risks, capital associated, stick to your plans. Those kinds of things are much more critical and important, of course. However, charts do play a good role and they can be great for decision making in some cases. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at a few charting platforms. So this is a question I kind of saw here in a various Facebook group. You can also join our Facebook group if you want. If you don't want, that's fine too. Anyway, so looking at the charting platforms, there's a couple of different ones out there. I will say, you could go and use like your broker charting platform, like let's say Thinkorswim or something like that. Me personally, I don't really like from a charting platform, right? Again, I'm looking at it from a charting platform. From a trading platform, I like this. Charting also pretty decent, but I do find there's some more peace in other charting platforms. And for me, I like the charting platform of TC2000. You can check my resources page and get a link for this. But there's just a much more power behind it from a flexibility, from the speed, the way you can customize charts and layouts. Usually I customize these things based on kind of a 2-screen or 3-screen window, so they might look a little more compressed right now. But for example, you can color code things if they're above, let's say, a certain moving average or technical analysis or an indicator and that kind of thing. So it just shows you some of the different layouts, let's say, that I have here. And this makes it really, really nice and fluid and dynamic and how you can really work with the charts. It also is very smooth in the sense of zooming in and out and compression of things. I find it's just very quick, especially with layouts like hopping to zooming in and out. I can just hold the control key and scroll. I don't have to type things. So I do find it's just really nice. Even here on the sidebar, you can do things in drawing lines. I can draw them just by kind of holding the control key here and drawing those lines. I think that's kind of my top pick. My second pick would probably be, it's kind of a couple different ones really that I like, but the next one I would say is probably, this is TrendSpider. I do like it. It's very nice. I will say TrendSpider is a little more pricey, but the advantage to this, let me pull it up here on a kind of an incognito privacy area. It's a little more pricey. Like, if you got advanced real time, I think I'm on this $98 plan and so forth. Anyway, if you've got all of these things, what you can do is go in, and the big thing behind this is the simulations or backtesting. So what you can do is go into the strategy tester. So here, just like similar to TC2000, what you can do is tweak things, and let's say you're hopping on and you're looking at things. There's a lot of cool things that you could start putting on these charts. Like you could use it pretty quickly. I do find TC2000 is a little bit better for speed, but the advantage here is there's a strategy tester thing on the corner, and what you can do is go in and kind of say, hey, I want to see like let's say strategy 1 or strategy 2 when price is greater than this. I want to see all the list of signals, and then you run it, and then you can do a test and see how many came up. And then it tells you kind of the number of percentages where they would happen. And, it would say, hey, this is where you would exit for a what profit, 3.73 profit and so on. So based on that, this chart's, it's pretty powerful, right? So like here as well, like, you got in, got out, got in, got out. And this is one of the interesting things behind it because it gives you a huge power into this. So it's pretty cool. If you like candle bars, that's fine too. But it just shows you kind of based on strategies, back testing situations, what you could do. And you can create like all kinds of different things. My third favorite would probably be TradingView. I mean, a lot of people use TradingView. There's so much information on it. I think really the marketing behind it is just really good. From a trading platform, is it good? I think it's good. I don't think it's bad. But I think actually the other two are probably better and less known. just because over the years what I've been using, I mean, I do like TradingView. It's really clean. I'll use it in some of my examples, because in my examples, the reason I'll use it is because on my real trading computer, I actually use the TC2000. So on where I trade, I have different computers. One of the trading computers I have is the TC2000 running. And if you run it over here, then it logs you off over there. Anyway, point being here, is that's why I use the TradingView for when I do like some educational videos, but I actually prefer the TC2000. So I think it's good. I think the other one that's pretty nice is WeBull. WeBull, and I'm in incognito right now, so we'll see. I don't think it'll log me in, but WeBull charts are also pretty good. You know, just looking at WeBull, I don't think I have it on this account. I do have, or this computer. I do have it. Yeah, I do have it on the other computer, but when you go in and in here, these charts are also pretty good, I think, as well. So overall, those would be kind of my picks. This would be kind of the runner-up on WeBull. So I'd still probably choose like TradingView before this, but my number one would be like TC2000. Number two would be probably like TrendSpider, and number three would be TradingView, and then after that maybe WeBull, and then Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, that kind of stuff. There's obviously some others out there that I probably don't know about. I'm just sharing with you my experience, my insights. So be as it may, feel free to find a trading platform that you like, that you enjoy. Also, yes, there are costs involved with some real-time things. So be aware of that. So if cost is also a big influence to you, then obviously that's a huge thing that you should watch. In my case, if cost is not a big issue, then I would still go with TC2000, even though it's not one of the more expensive ones. I think actually TrendSpider is a little more pricey than TC2000, but I still like TC2000 right now better from the usability. It's more stable from my use and just my experience with it. Anyway, so there you have it. Those are kind of my things as far as charting platforms go, what I like, what I don't like, and just a quick little rundown. I think it's just charting platforms is kind of like having a soup. Some soups you like, and some soups I don't really care for, and that's okay, and some are just okay. And the thing is it's not your full lunch. It's okay. The full lunch is your trading. The full lunch is working your strategy, your methodology, your money management positions, and those kinds of things. The soup is just kind of, hey man, it just helps you, gives a little appetizer or some in those cases. Sometimes it could be like your full meal, where you could use charts like really honing in and making your full trading decisions and so on. And you could do that, but I would be careful if that's the case, because charts just complement your trades and strategies and help you enter maybe at a slightly better advantage. But I don't think you should use them to that huge extent that many people make them out to be. Even the stuff that I say on some of the videos and some of my other channels, it's like, yeah, do I make chart videos? Absolutely, I do. I enjoy charts. I do make them. And that's because people are searching for them. But it's not necessarily as important as you may think. So just be aware of that. They're there for fun, gossip, chat. Hey, what's the stock doing? It's moving here, there, up, down, left, right, sideways. Who cares? Manage your money properly, and that's way more important. Anyways, thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll see you in my coaching sessions. We got coaching webinars and those kinds of things going on as well. Group coaching, and as well as the options black belt program for where we work together with people for like 2 months or so at a time, 2-3 months. So just check it out on our website, and I might see you there. All right, take care.